Go, Lauren! I'm recording now.
Oh, the moonwalk?
Yeah.
I love your moonwalk.
Okay, watch my moonwalk. It's very sexy. Ready? Oh, I think I stopped it. Mom, you know we're not recording this.
Come on, let's go.
Did
you get that?
No. I hope so.
Why are you trying to do your jerk? Oh, crap. This is a nerd jerk. Jerk.
Pause it. Yeah, pause it. I am thirsty. Okay.
Oh, it's over! Really? Let me try. No!
Nope.
Mine are.
Okay, my hands are out. Like, freeze over, and you're gonna have to drop your camera.
Oh, don't. Victoria, seriously don't.
Did you stop recording?
Okay, she just stopped recording, so bye. Now we're...
Oh, wait, no, we're not. No, we're not.
Oh, there's a moonwalking.
Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, Victoria's trying to do the moonwalk. Okay, you lift up, slide back. Look.
It's wet.
Can that happen? Your butt's wet.
Don't sit down. Okay. Is it a toilet? Go. Oh, that was a good one.
You know I'm recording, right?
I have to squat on this.
Y'all constipated?
Wait, okay, get up. My can. Oh! Where's my can?
Come on, Papa.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, go! You go!
I was winning. How do you jerk?
Okay, no, you go back. Slide back.
Uh-oh. I didn't do it.
Oh, okay, Kaylee Ivy, this is how she does jerk. She does it really fast. I'm like, you look retarded. She's like, no, I don't. I'm like,
is that a SpongeBob? Yeah.
I do that all the time. I'll be like in the gym and I'll be doing this. And I hit one dude in the face. I really did. This guy named Caleb. His name is Caleb. Furious Caleb Stewart. I don't know if y'all know him, but I'm gonna put this on Facebook. I should. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Bert.
Whoa! I recorded something. No way! No way!
I recorded. Go back first.
I found. Shake it! No.